So what we did last week, we split this hive. We took the original queen and made a split. We basically did a swarm for the bees. So we took the queen, we took 3 frames of brood, 2 frames of food, and then 2 empty frames so they can start off. Today, a week later, we're coming in and we're gonna add a super to it. So for this split hive, it's just gonna have 1 brood box, and then after the flow, we'll add another deep, beef them up for winter, and then they'll be good to go. It's rain here though. So they haven't even begun to draw that frame. Oh, there we go. Been working that one. So that's good. There's a queen cup. That's not a good sign. Look at all that. It's just nectar.
I feel like I'm doing it backwards. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Gosh, it's heavy. Look at all the babies.
Oh wow, look at them all.
Mm-hmm. See her. Put those on the other side. Lots of babies. I don't see a queen. Whoops. Sorry, guys. You may keep looking for her? Or?
Yeah. Just want to make sure she didn't go back to their first hive, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Definitely laying in here.
Well, do you see baby eggs though?
No.
Because that could have been from last week.
Okay.
Oh, here she is.
You got her?
Yep. It's right here.
So what's all the cells on the bottom there? Just drones, or did they make a queen?
Look like this, yeah. Don't look like swarm cells. There's a swarm cell right there, and it's capped.
Oh, that's good.
That's
right?
going to be a queen. That's what we wanted. So we've seen enough. We can just put this back.
Okay.
So that's perfect.
Yeah, that was 4 pounds of water, 4 pounds of sugar, and that only did 1 pitcher. So next time we do, I guess, 8. I don't even know. Just
Is that about half?
a little bit more.
Is that good?
Yeah. Put that right there. Don't knock that over.
Okay.
It was the other way, but does that matter?
No. You got it?
So they're getting another one?
Yeah.
All right. gonna be really tall.
Yeah. That's so exciting. Nice. The cup is sealed, so it could be very soon.